Do you hate scam calls? Or even unwanted calls in general? They're always disturbing you. What to do with unwanted calls? You can accept them and waste your time talking, or you can decline them and waste your time in voicemail. What you need is a third option. Introducing KallKatcher, and never answer an unwanted call again. Start with our free trial. No credit card is required. It has a 10-second registration process. It's 100% private and you're always in control. No contacts are shared and no application to install. Here's a demo of a KallKatcher configured phone handling an unwanted call. When a call comes in, who's it from? First, let's silence the call by hitting the home or power button or any side button. If we answer this call, we're wasting time. If we decline the call, we also waste time later with voicemail. A KallKatcher configured phone will forward the call using the phone's call forward no reply feature. When it stops ringing, your phone has forwarded the call. The caller will continue to hear the ring until KallKatcher answers. KallKatcher uses a randomly selected number as a human test. If the test fails or there's no answer, it's considered a failure and a text message is sent to you telling you what has happened. If they pass, KallKatcher returns the call back to you, and this is what you get: a call from KallKatcher using our caller ID. You can answer this call knowing that they are human and they're on the call waiting for you. Here you just answer the call normally and you have a conversation. When the call ends, you're going to get a text message from KallKatcher indicating that they passed the test and the caller ID of that call. This is the experience when a person calls a KallKatcher subscriber. We dial the number and the phone starts to ring.
This phone number is under KallKatcher control. Press 0 to leave a message, or press 8 to bypass call control. Thank you. Please wait. We are connecting the call.
Hello, Richard speaking. KallKatcher is the only 100% private call filtering service. Try our 60-day free trial and experience the joy of handling unwanted calls easily. Just call our toll-free line and get started in less than 10 seconds.